Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to delete your account on the booking.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device, and after that you should go to your home page and tap on this account button at the top of the screen on the right side. Tap on manage account, and after that you should tap on this security button, and here you can find this delete account button, so tap on it. And here you should select the reason why you would like to delete your account. I get too many emails, I want to use a different email address or other, and then you should type in the reason and tap on the delete account button. And as you can see, you should go to your email and finish deleting your account. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.